Everyone has their own experience in their journey to be a profitable trader, and most of the journey usually not a quite easy and a straight line. Many people started their trading career being not well prepared by not investing in themselves on having the right knowledge. In this topic, you will learn a few sneak peek and tips when you started the trading journey. Most people trade and invest in hoping that the stock price gonna go up and they strike a fortune in the stock market. This is actually the act of pure gambling, and they seek stock market as some way to have fun, and they treat it like a casino. This kind of people actually does not invest, but they are gambling their hard-earned money without knowing they will be in major losses. Personally, in the early days, I invested my money in education before I got into the stock market. This has significantly reduced my risk in the market, and I can continuously be able to sharpen my knowledge and skill until I become really profitable. I am sure, like any other career, the journey to be a profitable trader is not a straight line. It is not gonna be like you attended a seminar and then got instantly the holy grail technique to succeed. It's not likely to be the case. Success research has proven that it took several years in average for one to succeed in their career. Research has shown that it took 10,000 hours to be specialized in what you are doing and get expert at it. When I just started my trading career, I had attended a class, and I believed that by attending that one class, I would get instantly profitable in the market. But after a few months real life trading, I realized that I need to learn more in order to make consistent passive income from the market. In the early days, I had learned about trade risk control that protect me from any big losses in the market. Without proper real experience and high probability success trading technique, you just seek for survival in the market. I had started my trading journey with a strong technical background. Technical involved in analyzing of chart pattern, price action of company shares of any financial equities. Technical analysis has enabled me in identifying either the stock of a company is suitable for buying or not. Is it the lowest and the best price to buy? Is it the share price is in an uptrend? So technical analysis is a very powerful analysis that you need in order to be profitable and maximize your profits in the market. You can predict future movement of the trend and ride along when it goes up, but relying solely on technical would not be reliable. One have to equip themselves with some fundamental skill analysis to confirm that the stock is a good company to buy. You can also possibly realize that the uptrend is fake or real. It helps you in your buying decision based on a good healthy company that are not into trouble or even worse, filing for bankruptcy. There is a lot of ways and strategies in making money in the market. There is short, medium and long-term strategies. The skills and psychology that needed for each strategy differ from each other. So throughout the course, by the end of advanced basic course, I will explain to you several common ways of making money in the market. It was the common way to make money trading and investing in the stock market. It is very useful as the information needed to help you having a good mental picture and part of the plan before you trade financial equity and expect any outcome from it. Normally, when you just started a trading career, discover the world of trading and investing in a year or two. Discover several ways of making money in the market. Then decide which technique that you are most prefer. Which one is the most suited to you, your lifestyle, profit potential capability of each ways making money, and how much time you need to spend on analyzing the stock or equities. Get an experience over the equities that you are traded in, their profile, what are the patterns that most common appear in the market. By learning the market movement, it is easy for you to make money in the future because the market is repetitive. You can even predict the aggressiveness of buyer and seller in the stock price because you are used to it. Are you a value investor that do not care about the technical, just relying on the fundamental of the company and only would like to know the stock price the next few years? These usually people who trade in large amount who do not want to know in either short or medium term results. They would like to know what happened to their investment in a year or few years later, and making 10 to 20% is sufficient for them. There is also a type of trader and investor that we call as a mechanical trader. For mechanical trader, they trade based on the average calculation of price of the stock in the past. They heavily use the buy and sell indicator to determine how many people are buying and selling the equities in the past and use the information to predict next movement. I will share more with you on how to use several common indicators that being commonly used by traders in the next course. There is also a real chartist that determine the aggressiveness of buying and selling and use the chart pattern in the past to trade. For me, this method has shown to be a very reliable method and been used by a lot of professionals to make buying and selling decisions in the market. In the advanced chartist section, I will reveal to you on how a simple method on chartist change the way you see the chart pattern and use it to be profitable in the market. It is a really an effective way to gain profit in the market. In the advanced chartist course, you will learn an advanced course that have more than 70% accuracy. It can be higher if you have passion and implement it for long term. Stick to the rules and you will be making a lot of money in the market. I believe by combining technical and fundamental analysis would lead to a great company selection. You have higher probability to success and the stock going in your favor. According to success mentor around the world, normally it takes 3 to 5 years for a person to specialize and succeed in what they are doing. This same goes to trading. With the right mentor, the path of education would be easier for you to achieve success.